Hey there, travelers. Imagine this. You've just touched down in Europe, excited to start your vacay. You wake up the next morning, eager to look your best, and plug in your trusty hairdryer. But instead of a warm breeze, you get a light show complete with smoke and sparks. Yep, your room now smells like a burnt electronics warehouse, and your hair is still a disaster. It's a common mishap. You used an adapter when you needed a converter. So, what's the difference? Well, let me break it down for you. In North America, our outlets pump out electricity at a leisurely 110 to 120 volts. But hop over to Europe and it's a whole different story. They crank it up to 220 to 240 volts. So when our European friends visit us, their gadgets don't get enough juice. But when we Americans visit them and use just an adapter, our devices don't just fail to work, they spectacularly self-destruct. We're talking about turning your favorite hairdryer, or like my daughter's tragic tale, her beloved DVD player, into nothing more than fancy paperweights. If your gadgets are built for 110 to 120 volts, what you need isn't just an adapter, but a step-down converter. This handy device will dial down Europe's robust 220 volts to something a little more palatable for your American electronics. Now, where many trip up is buying just adapters. Remember, adapters are like those friends who say they'll help you move, but just end up rearranging your stuff in the truck. They make your plugs fit, sure, but they don't actually change the power. So unless your device can handle anything from 110 to 240 volts, like many laptops, you're going to end up with dead tech. And hey, if your European adventure includes both the quaint villages of mainland Europe and the bustling streets of the UK, keep in mind that you'll encounter both two-prong and unique three-prong outlets. So it's smart to pack adapters and converters that can mingle well in both settings. There you have it. Don't let a fried hairdryer ruin your European escapade. Check out the link below for a deep dive into the electrifying world of adapters and converters, plus some top-notch recommendations. Safe travels and stay powered up. And hey, if you think a fried hairdryer is bad, just wait until you see what happens when you try to make a smoothie with a blender that's not voltage compatible. Spoiler alert, it's not pretty, but it's definitely memorable. Picture this, an adapter and a converter walk into a bar. The adapter says, "I can make you fit in anywhere." The converter replies, "Yeah, but I can make you work anywhere." Moral of the story? You need both to keep the sparks at bay and your gadgets happy. So pack smart, stay savvy, and may your travels be as smooth as your perfectly styled hair.